I'm Dan Scheid with Scheid Diesel Service, and we're here at the Performance Race Industry Show in Indianapolis. And we're looking at our all-aluminum Cummins inline six-cylinder block that we have available. It's our block and cylinder head, and we got new rocker assemblies for it, and we got new intakes for them. Everything's all billet, and we have got we're running 4 1/8 bore on these engines, and running a full billet head on it, and got billet rocker assemblies for it there also. We run external oil pumps on these engines, so they can be dry sump or wet sump, either one. And we've got belt drive systems that run off the crankshaft, off the balancer there then. And if people are having problems with their balancers vibration there on the front end of their crank, we've got a new taper lock on the front end of the crank to hold their balancers. We've got a new injector design for these new engines, to where that we're running a clamp style injector rather than a screw in type injector that typically backs out. The clamp style will stay tight and they won't back out. We've got the high pressure fuel lines that we design and make for these setups, and we make the injection pumps as well. And we've got straight cut gear sets available with adjustable cam and adjustable injection pump gears. So they are rock solid and ready to go for 3,000 plus horsepower. Let us help you out with one.